Learn English phrasal verbs with pay. Pay back. Meaning: to return the money that you borrowed from someone, or repay. For example, thanks for the money. I will pay you back soon. Pay for. To give money in exchange for something. He paid for the parcel. Pay down. To reduce the amount of debt by paying part of it. He plans to pay down his mortgage over the next few months. Pay up. To give someone the money that you owe them, especially when you do not want to. Eventually he paid up, but only after receiving several reminders. Pay off. To give someone all the money you owe them. He finally paid off his debt after 2 years. Pay in, or pay into. To put money into a bank account, or deposit money. I paid the cash into my account. For example, he paid in a lot of money. Pay out. To pay a lot of money for something. I paid out $20,000 for my new car. Pay back. Meaning: to punish someone for making you or someone else suffer, or revenge. For example, I will pay him back for what he said about me. Pay for. To suffer the consequences of one's actions. He will pay for his mistake. Fill in the blanks. 1. If you borrow money, you have to. Pay it back. 2. I went to the bank to. A check. Pay in. 3. Means to finish paying back money that you owe for something. Four. How much rent do you? This place. Pay for. 5. You have 2 days to. 6. I would like to. Some money. My bank account. Pay into. Thank you for watching and listening. Click on subscribe button and bell icon for more videos. Don't forget to like and share this video.